two-dimensional canvas or a two-dimensional surface. And that is by understanding that the darkness, always we take into consideration that shades is what grounds the object, and light is what makes the object pop. It gives you that fullness. And on a two-dimensional canvas, you have front, back, left, right, but you don't have up, down. I mean, technically you do have up, down, because technically, any object has to have some level of vertical density to it, but it's not sufficient enough to illustrate any sort of three-dimensional depiction on a two-dimensional surface. So we have to, how we circumvent that is by creating something called optical illusion. And this optical illusion derives by understanding shades, shadows, light and dark, light and dark, light and dark, light and dark. Understanding that shades makes it pop, and light